Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome. Open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, click on search Google or try typing. So what you need to do is to type in Chrome : / flags and hit enter. In a few seconds, it's going to take you to all Chrome experiment right here. So what you need to do here is to search for any Chrome flag you are looking for and enable it. Let's say, for instance, we want to do some Chrome flag setting for incognito. Come to the search flag right here and type in incognito. Then you're going to see available results for incognito. Next thing we want to do here, for us to enable incognito, you can scroll down right here and see more results as far as the keyword incognito is concerned. So if you want to use any of the Chrome flag right here, let's say, for instance, allow third party to open custom tab incognito mode. So here, enable it will allow third party apps to open incognito mode for Chrome custom tab on Android. What you need to do is to simply click on here. Then you have to make sure you click on enable right here. Once you enable, click on relaunch. And you are done. With this particular flag enable right here, it allows you to open different tabs in your incognito browsing section from a particular website. It's that simple. So this is how to access Chrome flag and how you can enable them on your phone. For more tutorial about Chrome browsing topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.